Multiplying two-digit numbers can feel slow and messy. Vertically and crosswise multiplication turns it into a fast, repeatable pattern you can even use in your head. You'll follow a simple rhythm of crisscross steps that quickly builds the full answer. Instead of treating 34 as one block, we break it into two friendly parts. The first part is the tens, 30. The second part is the ones, 4. Thinking tens and ones separately like this is what powers many of the fast mental tricks you're about to learn. Now let's map out the pattern. A simple three-step path your brain can follow every time. First, focus on the units, the right-hand digits. Next, connect the numbers crosswise, like drawing an X between them. Finally, move over to the tens, the left-hand digits. So the order in your head is right, middle, left. Once this rhythm feels automatic, your speed will jump. We'll start this multiplication using the right-hand digits only. Look at the ones. 3 in the top number and 1 in the bottom number. Multiply them. 3 times 1 equals 3. That 3 goes straight into the ones place of our result. There's nothing to carry yet, just lock in that 3. The next steps will build on this first, simple vertical match. Now it's time for the crosswise step. Multiply the tens digit on top by the ones digit on the bottom. Then multiply the ones digit on top by the tens digit on the bottom. Add those two results together. If you had a carry from the previous step, add it in as well. Write down the ones digit of this total and carry the tens to the next step. Next, we work the left side. Take the tens digit on top and the tens digit on the bottom. 2 times 4. That gives 8 tens. We carried 1 from the earlier step, so add it now. 8 plus 1 makes 9. That 9 becomes our final tens digit in the answer, completing this multiplication. Let's run the full shortcut for 12 times 13 in one smooth go. First, right, multiply the last digits. 2 times 3 gives 6. That's our last digit. Next, middle, cross multiply and add. 1 times 3 plus 2 times 1 equals 5, the middle digit. Finally, left, multiply the first digits. 1 times 1 equals 1, the first digit. Put them together, 156. Now let's see friendly numbers in action with 11 by 12. Think of 12 as 10 plus 2. First do 11 by 10. That's 110. Then 11 by 2. That's 22. Add the easy parts. 110 plus 22 equals 132. Breaking numbers into tens and leftovers turns scary products into quick, mental steps. We'll use our pattern again for 21 times 23. Start with the tens. 2 times 2 gives 4 hundreds. Next, add the two outer digits. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then multiply that 4 by the tens digit 2 to get 8 tens. Finally, multiply the ones. 1 times 3 is 3. Altogether, that's 483. For bigger numbers, we still start with the ones. Look at 27 times 34. First, multiply 7 by 4. That's 28. Use our rule. Write the 8. Float the 2. The 8 is the ones digit in the answer. The 2 is a balloon we keep in our head, ready to join the tens we'll calculate next. Let's try a full example with 58 times 63 using the right, cross, left pattern. Right, 8 times 3 is 24. So write 4 and carry 2. Cross, 5 by 3 plus 6 times 8 is 15 plus 48. Add the carry 2 to get 65. Write 5 and carry 6. Left, 5 times 6 is 30. Plus the 6 we carried makes 36. So the answer is 3654. Estimation is your quick, does this answer make sense? Check. For 27 times 34, you might round to 30 times 30 and think about 900. If your exact mental answer is 918, you know it's reasonable. If it's way off from 900, your brain can flag it and you can fix the mistake fast. When you're using this trick, almost every wrong answer comes from just two mistakes. First, starting from the left. Even if you're used to that in normal sums, here you always start on the right and move left. Second, dropping the carry. Complete every mini cross, note the carry, and then add it in the next step. Go slowly at first to build accuracy, then pick up speed. Now it's your turn to run the I pattern on your own. Begin with 24 times 31 and say each step in your head: right, cross, left. Then try 39 times 48 and pay close attention to any carrying. Finally, test yourself with 47 times 52. If you get stuck, pause, rewind the example, and then try again a little faster.